The magic link of sentences, subordinating conjunctions. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to explore an essential part of English grammar, subordinating conjunctions. These are the small but mighty words that help us connect thoughts and ideas in our sentences. They're like the glue that holds the main and subordinate clauses together. Let's dive in. In the simplest terms, subordinating conjunctions are words that connect a main clause and a subordinate clause in a sentence. They introduce the subordinate clause and indicate a relationship between it and the main clause. Examples of common subordinating conjunctions include because, although, if, when, while, and many more. For instance, in the sentence, I went to bed because I was tired. Because is our subordinating conjunction. It connects the main clause, I went to bed, with the subordinate clause, I was tired. When using subordinating conjunctions, remember that the main clause can stand on its own as a sentence, but the subordinate clause cannot. The subordinate clause needs the main clause to make complete sense. Take this sentence for example. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. Here, we went for a walk, is the main clause and could stand alone. Although it was raining, is the subordinate clause. It can't stand alone but adds additional context to the main clause. Remember, the subordinating conjunction always goes at the start of the subordinate clause, whether it comes before or after the main clause in the sentence. A key point about subordinating conjunctions is that they show a relationship between the two clauses they're connecting. This could be a cause and effect, a contrast, a time relationship, and so on. For example, because shows a cause and effect relationship. I ran because I was late. Although shows a contrast. Although it was cold, I didn't wear a coat. And when shows a time relationship. I was eating when the phone rang. Well, that brings us to the end of our deep dive into subordinating conjunctions. These little words carry a lot of weight in our sentences, connecting our thoughts and ideas cohesively. Remember, the more you practice using them, the more natural it will become. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the magic link of sentences. Until next time, happy learning!